Where do we go from here?
Hello, how was your day?
Stupid, what about yours?
Pretty quiet, thankfully.
The name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone to...
Close the office. Could you... Fucking idiot!
Jesus, are you alright? Oh, you fucking arsehole! My God, see what I mean? Now that's how accidents happen. You were lucky you saw that.
Yeah.
The fuck? It's not a U-turn, it's a fucking bus stop. Jesus. Alright, better concentrate.
Yeah, I'll be at home after 7.
Okay. What the fuck? They're literally in an oncoming traffic lane.
Right, look at me trying to get in there. How do we even get?
They went around us.
What the fuck? Is there even any space?
What do they expect is going to
They're
happen?
about to hit that fucking thing. If he goes any closer, he's gonna hit it. Like, you're rid of us.
Wanna quit? And through a red light as well.
Oh.
Straight through a red light.
dang.
What an idiot.
Red light, fuckhead.
real asshole.
Michael Combello? Sunbello. Which way are you going, mate? Bloody hell.
Hey! Fuck, wait!
Accomplishments too, by that.
A lot of accomplishments, but I think he was talking specifically about like online.
Oh, he couldn't have been talking about
It was
that.
the mid-90s. It was already
Yes.
That Iran war was part of it. Hasn't that bloody gone bad for him?
Vomited so hard they burst the blood vessels all around their eyes and looked like a red panda.
The one in the blue Mazda. Shit, we took off. The blue Mazda was directly behind me. It's alright, I got him on video. Yes. Yeah, I'll definitely save that one and upload it. Oh, you can shame them.
Look out! Fuck me dead!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week
goes to the one and only.
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Much later. One eternity later.
Red arrow, you fucking wanker, mate.
Hey, buddy.
I don't know why it's crooked. Is that car's wearing the red?
Yeah, it isn't. Ferrari's over here with their 6 cylinders, and they're losing Formula One, unlike Cadillac, who wins. And not so. Close enough. Great Wall is coming in with a V8.
What was that?
He changed lanes in front of us.
Buddy, look. Hey!